Good evening, viewers. The Shiv Sena has announced today, on behalf of the Mumbai police, that the Mumbai police investigation into the Sushant case is almost over. First of all, viewers, this is unbelievable. The Shiv Sena actually did a press conference today to officially speak on behalf of the Mumbai police. And they declared, on behalf of the Mumbai Police Commissioner, that his investigation is over. Why do you need a Mumbai Police Commissioner? Sanjay Raut is the new Mumbai Police Commissioner because he has announced on behalf of the Mumbai Police that the case is concluding very quickly. So my first question is, how does the Shiv Sena know? Has the Mumbai Police Commissioner officially started consulting the Shiv Sena? Is he reporting to the Shiv Sena? The nation wants to know. The second question is, how can an investigation that has not even started come to an end? Has Riya Chakrabarti been cross-examined in the presence of others with whose her account does not match? Has Siddharth Pithani been countered? Has Sandeep Singh, who gives 3 versions of where he was when the news broke, been countered? Have phone conversations of Disa Salian been tracked? Have they told us why the body was bruised and hanging diagonally? Have we been told why hush-hush calls were on between Riya Chakrabarti and the DCP in the region? No. Not one question has been answered. And so the Shiv Sena has aggravated its crime by declaring the Mumbai police investigation to be almost over, with the meek and ever beholden Mumbai Police Commissioner unable to even protest in a whimper. And the reason for this rush, on the same day when the Sena wants Sushant's family to be quiet, they warn them. Be quiet, the Sena says. Shiv Sena diktat to Sushant's family. Keep quiet from now on. The reason for all this rush is a campaign running now called #CBI for SSR. Viewers, in my 23 years as a TV journalist, this is the strongest, at least the longest running and indefatigable, overwhelmingly passionate campaign for justice that I have seen. And this network today bows its head to all of you. For the 1.2 million, yes, 1.2 million and counting messages saying #CBI for SSR. So on a day we are being warned, we commit ourselves further, deeper and stronger into the cause of CBI for SSR. And meanwhile, the Maharashtra politicians who are threatening me and your network can take a walk. As I said earlier this week, we are not letting go, looking back or willing to compromise. It will be CBI for SSR, after which, at the very least, those who dared to organize this cover-up should quit out of shame, if not out of humility. So say loudly, viewers, CBI for SSR. Put out your tweets. Talk to us. Send us your messages. That's Debate 1 tonight, viewers. CBI for SSR. Let's all come together on a day when the Shiv Sena is warning Sushant's family not to speak too much. Oh, yes, we will. We don't need the Shiv Sena's permission to speak. Debate number 2 tonight, viewers. Dipesh is in hiding. The witnesses were sent away. Why were all the key witnesses sent away or being put into hiding? We investigate that at 10, viewers. And viewers, this is our campaign, CBI for SSR. Tell everyone you know it's an unstoppable, as of now, 1.2 million responses, the biggest global campaign for justice in a long time. And here are the
Hi everyone, I'm Sujarita Kukreti. Thanks for checking out Republic World. If you would like to watch more show highlights and live coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the Republic World News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.